Here we get a problem. The car is not starting. I'll show you the symptoms. Just let me get in the car. So you plug in, try to start the car. Nothing happens. If the light goes dim, you can say that it's a problem with the battery, but the light is not going dim. Even the screen is stable, so it looks like a CAS problem. Usually whenever there is a CAS problem, you will have no start. Sometimes there will be flickering on your headlights, and most of the time you can hear a flickering of the relays from the rear side of the car or the fuse boxes. But in this case, I'm not getting any flickering, no flickering from the fuse box, or the lights are not giving any signals of faulty CAS. But when you read the error code, or it's something related to CAS. Okay, let me focus it. See, control module, there is a fault. So probably this is a CAS problem. Whenever there is a CAS problem like no start, there might be like half crank and the car will not start. Multiple times you have to try starting the car, then only it will start up the engine. I had this same problem, not the same, similar problem, like half crank and the car will not start for a while, and after trying like 3 or 4 times the car will start. But this one, it doesn't start anyways. In both cases the problem is with the CAS. So I'll just take the CAS out, program it and put it back. I hope you have seen my video on how to program the CAS using Xprog, and if you are a DIY guy, you don't have to purchase Xprog, which is from the Xprog company. You can just go for the AliExpress 5.55 version of Xprog. This is an E70 and I'm gonna do the CAS, and after that I'll put it back and show you how it works. This is a CAS that I have bought from junkyard. It says CAS 3 in here and C4 in here, which has added security. So this is for the CAS 3 plus thing, I guess. So I'm gonna do a programming on this. Like take the module out, do the programming and put it back. I will leave the programming step-by-step link in my comment, and you can see it from there. See, after changing the CAS, this car started properly without any issue. CAS module is in here, and it will be located here, in this part. You can see that in my programming video, how to change the CAS, how to take it out, and how to configure it. So this is it. So if you have the starting problem, like half crank or the starter motor just try to crank, sometimes it doesn't try to crank, things like that, you can just go ahead and change the CAS module. Alright, hope this will be helpful for some of those over there. In course of time you might need to change the CAS for sure. This is 2011 model. Most of the BMWs of old generation is showing this problem, so this is a really common issue.